How to do a butterfly face paint design. You will need some Derivan Face and Body fluoro blue, fluoro pink, orange, black and some crystalline body glitter, as well as some spouncers and a Derivan brush set. First up, you're going to apply the blue with the spouncer, and then you're going to add the pink, blending it into the blue. Now you're going to add the orange, clean up that top line with the white. Using the fluoro blue, paint the body of the butterfly on the nose and a little dot for the head with the fluoro pink. It's time to do the outline with the black. Just follow the shape that you've created already with the blue and the pink and the orange. Don't need to be too exact. Put an extra wing in down there. Some antennae. And using the round brush, now you can come in and put a bit more detail in, and a bit more movement. Again, we're trying to get the idea of a fluttering butterfly wings. Some legs for the butterfly. Time to put some glitter on with the crystallina. This just gives the butterfly that beautiful shimmery look. And there we have it, a beautiful butterfly.